which is going to be your 4150 barrels, like this little guy right here. So 4150 is a chromoly vanadium. So it kind of has the opposite of stainless steel in a sense. So it is a harder metal. So what that means, you have much longer barrel life, but the opposite is also true for stainless, meaning you get a little bit less accurate barrel generally. It's all generalizations because there are exceptions out there. Um, so for your run-of-the-mill, run-and-gun AR-15, so honestly for most people, I would recommend a 4150 barrel, just because that accuracy penalty is not as bad as you would actually think. Most people aren't even going to notice it, generally speaking, um, and you're going to have a much longer barrel life, so you can actually, put that money that you would spend on, replacing a barrel towards more ammo, so you can go train more and get more time behind your rifle. So, with all that being said, there are barrel coatings, which also matter quite a bit.